Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with the Graph hosted service step by step clearly. Visit the official website of the Graph. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a registration page. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and enter it in the password field. Confirm your password by typing it again in the confirmation field. Check the box to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Sign Up button to submit your information. An email verification link will be sent to the email address you provided. Open your email inbox and locate the verification email from the Graph. Click on the verification link in the email. You will be redirected back to the Graph's website. Log in using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll see options for setting up your account. Input any additional required information such as your profile details. Explore the settings to customize your experience. After completing your profile, you'll be ready to use the Graph hosted service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.